Hello, good morning. This is our last day. We're now here at the city center of Changsha. Ito na yung last stop namin before going to the airport. This is our day 5. Yung mga kasama ko medyo nag-iwahiwalay muna kami ngayon dito sa Changsha. This is the city center. Guys, ito na nga, back to reality na tayo. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa Vet Health. Maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ma'am and Dong.
Without them, syempre, this will not be possible. Thank you po. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.